Hi everyone, Colleen here, and welcome back to bALS. Today I'm going to discuss my first line of defense against choking. It's the forced cough. Now, one of the things that becomes a concern with the bulbar ALS, or when people with limb onset ALS have their symptoms reach the bulbar area, the muscles in the throat become weak. This is a concern because of a choking hazard and because we do not want any liquid or food particles to go down the wrong way, because it can create some other complications, including pneumonia, and we do not want that. So today I'm going to demonstrate for you my forced cough and show you some of the exercises I do to make sure that I'm able to perform that effectively. What in essence I'm doing is getting any saliva, mostly it's saliva, liquids, food particles. They feel like they're getting stuck in my throat. So I want to force cough them back up out of the way of danger and then swallow it back down properly. A lot of times I may do this because I'm spacing out or I get to talking a lot. I forget to swallow. So saliva kind of gathers down here. I just want to get it out of the way and swallow it back down correctly. It's my first line of defense against choking. So if you see me doing this, do not worry. It's just me trying to protect myself from choking or having food go down the wrong way. Now, the exercises I do for this include my stacked breathing, which I have demonstrated in one of my previous videos called the respiratory exercises. So what I'm going to do is inhale deeply one time while I'm holding it. I'm going to do a second and a third. What I want to do is really open up my lungs, make sure that I'm using my lungs to a greater capacity. Because what happens is that sometimes when these muscles are weak, we just start to breathe really shallow. But by doing these exercises, opening up my lungs a little bit more, getting more of a forceful cough. So to do the stacked breathing, just really opens those up. I do a good 5 of those a day. Helps me breathe a little bit easier. The other thing I do to help with my forced cough is to use this little device right here. Also something that I discuss in more detail in my respiratory exercises video. Remember how I said my exercises are so awesome because they help me in more than one way? Here's one reason right here. So, in this device, it provides some resistance on the inhale, which helps me expand my lungs, and the exhale. The exhale portion of this exercise is what helps me get a nice, effective cough. So you can learn a little bit more about this device in my respiratory exercises video. So that's it for my first cough. It's my first line of defense against choking. And if you see me do it, it's okay. If I'm in trouble, I'll let you know. So, if you'd like to learn more, because I do have a lot more to share with you, please subscribe to my channel. A lot more to discuss here. So, I'd like to thank you for watching and joining me on my journey.